Welcome to yet another exciting edition of Market Watch. I'm Soumya, but you knew that. What you don't know is on this week's Market Watch, we're going to be talking about wireless Bluetooth speakers, and it's going to be very, very exciting. We're going to kickstart this Market Watch with this tiny little thing here. Don't get fooled by its size because this one packs a punch.
STK's Bluetooth speaker is light, can be carried in a bag with ease, and when it comes to sound, this little thing can be really loud. But don't expect the best sound quality to pour out of it. It takes about 2 hours to charge and gives 5 hours of playback. It also doubles up as a hands-free, a perfect alternative for those who are allergic to headphones.
The next speaker that we have for you is something I'd rather be looking at all day than listening to. Why? Let me just show it to you. This is a JBL speaker. Yep, and it's got lights on it. It's got LED lights on it. It's actually quite beautiful. You can change the color of the lights. The intensity of the light actually changes. There are various patterns that can form on it. Like I said, I can just keep looking at it all day.
There are many Bluetooth speakers in the market today. So how do you break the clutter? Learn from JBL. Give your speaker 64 multicolored LEDs. There is the volume, power and Bluetooth button, and then there are a bunch of tiny colored dots that control the LEDs. Just drag your finger gently to change color or intensity. The lights also respond to the music being played. There is a JBL app that lets you control the speaker from your smartphone. But the light show does increase the playback to half. A full charge without the light show will give you about 10 hours of playback. But then again, the light show is so worth it. The sound output from the pulse is not the best, but honestly that matters little as the light and sound together will sweep you off your feet.
This speaker right here is a nifty little thing for picnics in the park and small get-together with friends and family, because as you have heard, its sound is really good, it's loud, and plus it's a 12-hour playback, which means the party can go on for half a day.
Call it the modern day boombox minus the bulky looks. The Party Jam speaker is perfect for an outing or get-together. It comes in a variety of colors, connects via Bluetooth. The top panel has a volume, power, play, pause, rewind and forward button. There is also an option to plug in your aux cord. But the best part of this speaker is the nifty handle on the top that makes it easy to carry. And the 12-hour playback. The sound is loud, clear but lacks bass. Priced at around 6,000 rupees, this is a speaker worth considering.
We saw some fabulous speakers on Market Watch this week, and I have to say the only thing going against them, they are a bit on the steep side. But then again, everything good today comes with a heavy price tag. We will see you next time. Until then, enjoy the music.